In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in Framer. Let's get started right from the Framer dashboard. First, open the project where you want to place your logo. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Click on the one you're working on, and Framer will take you into the Canvas view, where you can see all your frames, pages, and components. Make sure you're on the correct page or frame where the logo should appear, such as the header or navigation area. Next, we're going to create a shape that will hold your logo. On your keyboard, press the F key. In Framer, this activates the Frame tool, which is what we'll use as a container for the logo. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a frame roughly where you want the logo to appear. You can adjust the size by dragging the corners, and don't worry about getting it perfect at first. We can refine it after the logo is added. Think of this frame as the placeholder box that your logo image will fill. With that frame selected, look over to the right side of the screen. This is the Styles panel, where you can control how your frame looks and behaves. Make sure your frame is actually selected. You should see its properties like size, position, and fill color showing in the panel. Now, in that Styles area, find the section related to the element's appearance where you can change things like fill or background. Click on the element option so you can swap out the basic fill with an image. This is where we'll bring in your logo file. Once you've opened that section, look for the option to upload an image. Click to upload, and then choose your logo file from your computer. Framer will place the logo inside the frame you created. After it's uploaded, check how it fits. If the logo looks stretched or cut off, adjust the frame size or change the image fit settings to contain or cover, depending on how you want it to appear. You can also move the frame around your layout until it's exactly where you want it. And that's it. By selecting your project,